Hi there guys and gals, good morning to each every one of you. Good morning or good afternoon. This is Ibalon Elementary School. It's already different and still lots of students, pupils. They are going home now. I do still remember when I was still a kid. And this is Rizal Park. So we always hang out here after we had our school, but not this in the heat of the sun. We play here when the sun comes down. How I wish that some of my teachers, class advisors are still alive. Madam Socorro Ramirez, Mrs. Sipin, my music teacher. I forgot the others. This is Saint Raphael. Some of you already knows it. Bye for now.